Welcome back. We are less than 20 hours away from the drop of the puck for Game 1 of the Pacific Division Finals. The Condors, the Gulls, Friday night. Ryan Holt in studio. Is that dramatic enough?
That was very dramatic. I felt like I was going to Avengers there.
Oh, did you?
That's great.
Oh, well, fantastic. All we're missing is some theme music.
It's cheaper, and we have 2 games, and they're going to be different games. So there you go.
If we had to choose theme music for the Condors this year, what would it be?
That's put me on the spot.
I was about to say, I'm sorry for doing that. Forget about that. Let's just talk about the excitement.
That Old Town Road song. I think they play that post game.
There you go.
That's the win song, I think, downstairs. But
Is it?
all we do is win. We could do that for post game. So I think they play the Green Light song by Pitbull too down there too.
What is the excitement level you've noticed, not just in the locker room, in the front office, but what you've seen, like last week when the team was coming back and I came by to see you guys at 10 a.m. when the box office opened, there was a line and everybody in line said, I'm getting Condors tickets.
Yeah, there's an excitement certainly in the community. 8,200 fans was our largest crowd in postseason history, so that kind of says it all about the buzz around the community. Luke Esposito mentioned to me the other day he went to Trader Joe's and was checking out his groceries, and the woman behind the counter said, I recognize your face from somewhere, and he goes, oh, well, she goes, oh no, you're on this poster over here. So there's definitely a buzz in the community. It's great to see, and the guys are soaking it up, and we're soaking it up too.
First, talk about just getting ready for this one. We had talked about how there are several days. You have just a couple of days off. You know who your opponent is. You want to get at it. Staying relaxed.
Yeah,
what are they doing?
A little build-up, and I think the good thing about this week is nothing's really changed from the regular season for the Condors. Usually we play on Friday and Saturday nights, and then we have a couple days off, and then get back at it the following Friday and Saturday. So for this team, I think everything's kind of stayed the same from the regular season, so there really hasn't been much different. Obviously, there's more attention, which is awesome, and there's more intrigue into this weekend, and we're looking forward to 2 big games here in Condorstown.
Okay, you had a couple of physical games here with Colorado. What does San Diego bring to this matchup? They're not a Colorado team.
Well, they're as deep as any team that we'll see in the American Hockey League. I think a lot of the things that you're saying about the Condors, you can also say about San Diego. They have a lot of young rookies that are talented. They have a lot of first-round draft picks that are talented. They have a lot of veterans that have been through the rigmarole of the entire playoffs and what that brings. And they have some good D, and they have good goaltending. So I think at the end of the day, these are 2 pretty evenly matched teams. And at the end of the day, you want the 2 best teams playing in the Pacific Division Finals, and I think if you took a poll of the teams in the Pacific, who were the 2 best teams, I think you'd have the Condors and Gulls in 1-2.
San Diego also getting a number of new faces.
Yeah,
so people that have been the longtime Condors, people are going to see some new names out there.
Yeah, for sure. The Gulls received 8 players from Anaheim once they were eliminated from their playoff run. The Condors getting Ryan McLeod and Evan Bouchard, who we saw last week, into the fold here this week. Ryan McLeod's his first on-ice practice, a second-round draft pick right behind Bouchard. So you see what Bouchard can do. We'll see if McLeod gets in this weekend and what he can do. And good to get him in the fold and get a couple practices in here at least to be able to get him into the culture here in Bakersfield.
See you tomorrow night.
I'll see you there.
Game 1 and 2, Friday, Saturday, 7 o'clock.
Tickets are available. BakersfieldCondors.com or at the box office. We'll see you.